Hi, Carl's from Fruit Salad Trees, and I'm going to show you how to take your new tree out of the box once it's delivered to you through Australia Post. This is one of our designed boxes from the Fruit Salad Trees. It has aeration holes to help the trees to breathe in transit because it may take 2 to 3 days before you actually receive your tree. To undo your tree, you take a box cutter or a sharp knife, you go around the edge to take the top off. Can be tricky, so don't cut yourself in the process. You then follow the line here where it says to open, cut along, and you slide it down through that. That way you're not actually going to cut your tree and you're not going to break your tree. And the good thing with these cardboard boxes is that you can actually reuse them in your garden as part of the compost, and it will break down and help feed your worms. When you have your tree inside, you can easily take it out from there. That way no breakages. Your tree will turn up double bagged. Take those bags off, and depending on what time of the year it is, if it's in the hot part of the year, you'll need to give it a really good dose of water on the top of the soil. Don't water the leaves, just the soil. Your tree will also come with a tag attached. This tree here is a lemon and Valencia orange. Your tag is red from the bottom graft up to the top graft. And we mark out the grafts for you so that you'll know where they are on your tree. So that's unboxing your tree carefully without breaking any of the actual branch work, and you can plant your tree at your leisure.